I think planning like events, to like integrate youth into like the art gallery. And like there was also like instances where like we toured the art gallery, which was really interesting. And we got to see like many parts of it. And I have like limited experience with like going to the art gallery. I maybe went there like once a few years ago. So it was really interesting to see that. For me, like art has always been like kind of just a hobby. And I always kind of enjoyed it, but I think I found this as maybe like an opportunity to maybe like go more into that hobby, like because I was interested in it. And I was also interested in spreading like awareness about like the art gallery like to youth because I think it could really be interesting to those who like art. I think since it's like one of the few ways for like youth to like really like pursue their interest in art since there's not that many opportunities. So that's why I think it's important. Well, we have already started by planning events such as like teen night, and we're just looking to grab like the youth like attention, especially like since I think it could be really interesting for those who want to go into art. I'm not tired of eating pizza. And I really like cheese pizza.